Hello everyone, today you will see how to remove special characters like symbols, punctuation marks, and other characters not found in the regular alphanumeric set in Excel. I will explain 6 different methods. So let's start the video. Here is a dataset containing ID, name, and password of several people. Now, as you see, these passwords contain special characters like percent, hashtag, etc. Now, what we want is to remove the special characters in these passwords and only keep the alphabets or the numbers. Now, we'll look at our first method, which is using flash fill. In this method, you will have to retype the password in the first cell of a new column without the special characters. Like if I retype the first password without the special characters, it will be like this. So here is our first password without the special characters. Now what you will have to do is click on the second cell. Now go to the data tab and under the data tool group, you will find flash fill. You can also use the Ctrl E shortcut. Click on it and see all the passwords automatically remove the special characters, remaining only the alphanumeric characters. Now this method is actually a manual method and this method has some limitations. Like if you make any typing mistakes or skip any characters while retyping in the first cell, the flash fill will return wrong results for rest of the cells. The second method will use find and replace command. For this, select the entire column and press Ctrl C to copy. Now select the first cell of the new password column and press Ctrl V to paste. Now select the new password column and press Ctrl F. This will open the Find and Replace dialog box. Click on Replace. Now in the Find What dialog box, you will have to type the symbols you want to remove from your text. For this example, it will be these three symbols. Keep the Replace with box blank. Now click on Replace All. And you will see a dialog box like this saying how many replacements was made. Now this method is safer than the first one. All you have to do is input the symbols you want to remove in their correct order in the Find What box. If the symbols are present randomly in each cell, you will have to remove them one by one using the Find and Replace tool multiple times. To solve that issue, you can use substitute function. For this function, we have created another table with some minor changes in the passwords. These passwords have the special characters randomly in them. Also, the amount of special characters are not the same in each password. In method 3, we'll use the substitute function. The function goes like this: equals substitute. As we want to remove several special characters, we'll have to use the nested substitute function. For this, you will have to use the substitute function as many times as the numbers of the special characters in the column. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 special characters. So we'll have to repeat this substitute function 6 times. You can just copy and paste the substitute function 6 times using Ctrl C, Ctrl V shortcut. As you see, this function needs text, old text, new text. Text means you will have to define the cell this function will work on. Then old text means the character you want to remove. New text is the character you want to replace with. Now our text will be this cell. Now we'll have to input the character we want to remove. You will have to input the characters one by one. Now put an empty string as you just want to remove the characters. Now repeat the same process 6 times with each of the symbols you want to remove. Then press enter. You can see the special characters removed from the first password. Now click on the first cell, drag the fill handle from D2 to D10, and you'll see all the special characters are removed for the rest of the cells. The problem in this method is that it is a bit lengthy. But the good thing is you don't need the special characters in each cell to be the same order, which makes it more dynamic and practical than the first two methods. Now we'll look at method 4. This method will use the replace function. I'll use another dataset with some changes in the password column for this example because this example also needs sequential arrangement of characters. The function goes like this equal replace. Now this function needs old text, start number, number characters, and new text. Old text is the text or cell you want to modify. For this example, this will be C2 cell. Then the start number is the position of the character where the replacement starts. Here it will be number 4. Then the number characters tells Excel how many characters to replace. There will be 1, 2, 3 replacements. So this will be 3. Then new text is the string or value you want to insert. If you want to remove the characters, you can use an empty string. Now press enter and this is the result. Now to apply this for the entire column, select cell D2 and click and drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to all cells. Now look at these two cells. They still do have special characters in them. Why this happened? Because if your dataset has multiple types of special characters in different positions, you may need to combine replace with other functions like find and substitute for more complex operations, where the special characters are not in the same order. Next, we'll see how to remove special characters using Power Query. This function is available since Excel 2016 or Excel 365. For this, first select the entire column of password, then go to Data tab and click on From Table or Range. Put the check mark for My table has headers if it's not already checked. Then click on OK. A new window named Power Query window will open. Then go to Add Columns and click on Custom Column. Custom column window will appear. Now you'll have to select the new column name. Let's say it will be new password. Now type the formula which is equal text dot select. Now between the parentheses write the name of the column. Text dot select will pick the characters from. Here this will be the password column. Then come the range of numbers and alphabets which we'll have to specify like this from A to Z, then from 0 to 9. Close the parenthesis. Now click OK. Go to the File tab and click on Close and Load button. As you see, the new password column does not contain any special characters, only the alphanumeric characters. You can just copy the new column from here and paste it in the original sheet. So that was all about method 5. Now we'll look at method 6. The last method is applying VBA code. You can just create macros and run them to remove special characters. First, we'll copy this range with Ctrl C and paste it into this column with Ctrl V. Now go to the Developer tab and click on Visual Basic. You can also open the Visual Basic window with Alt F11. Now right click on the sheet, go to Insert and then click on Module. Now paste the code given in the description box. You can also use Ctrl S shortcut. Now close this window and go to the macros. You will see a macro named remove special characters. Click on run and it will ask for the range. Our range is this. Click OK. Then it will ask for the characters to remove. Now we will type all the characters we want to remove. Click enter. Now see all the special characters have been removed. So that was all the methods. Hope this video was useful. Hit a like and subscribe. Thank you.